Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can chat with someone on a Reddit. Now keep in mind that there are some restrictions. I will mention that in just a few seconds. Now first, what you need to do is you want to search for any post and then you can check the comments here, and let's say that you want to contact this guy. Now the moment you click on their username, you will be able to see here the button start chat. Okay, now if you click here, you can follow them. You can also see their karma. You can see it's like 91 comment karma and 172 post karma. Now this is important too. I will mention that in just a few seconds. Now if you click on start chat, you will be able to send the chat to this person. Okay, there are some restrictions. Now one is if you have a new account, like at first, like Reddit will not allow you to send messages. You will say like you need to get more karma. So to get more karma, you just need to comment more on Reddit posts. That's all you need to do. Like comment more, be engaging with the Reddit post to get more karma. That's all you need to do. Now another thing is they may have restricted getting messages from other people. Okay, so this guy, for example, may change their privacy settings so they don't receive any message from anyone. Okay, this may cause the problem. Another thing is you need to follow more people. That will get you more karma, and then you will be able to remove restrictions, because everyone faces this problem when they are just creating a new account, or they have a problem with your account. For example, they changed the password recently, something like that. Like Reddit will not allow them temporarily. This is just a temporary thing, usually for a week, to not send any message. Now if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment. Just comment below your questions and I will try to reply to you. Hopefully this tutorial helped you. Please drop a like, that would be highly appreciated, and see you in the next tutorial.